We'll guide you through how to make black 3D effect in Text Illustrator. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, to make a black 3D effect in Adobe Illustrator, begin by locating the Adobe Illustrator application on your desktop and opening it. Wait for the program to fully load before starting the project. Once the workspace appears, click the File menu and select New to create a fresh document. The Canvas Creation menu will appear on your screen. Choose the document size you want to use for your design. Then click the Create button to open your new artboard. Select the Type tool from the toolbar and click once on the artboard. Type the word or phrase you want to turn into a black 3D design. After typing your text, choose a bold font style because thicker letters will make the shadow effect easier to see. Make any final adjustments to the text size, font, or spacing before continuing to the next step. Select the text and open the Appearance panel to begin creating the black 3D effect. Make sure your text is selected before continuing. Then add 2 fills inside the Appearance panel. The second fill will act as the black 3D effect, so keep its color set to black. After that, change the first fill to a bright color because the darker 3D effect will look more noticeable and pronounced against a brighter front color. Once the colors are ready, go to the black fill and add an effect to it. Open the Distort and Transform menu and select Transform. A settings window will appear for the effect. Set both the horizontal move and vertical move values to 1 so the effect shifts evenly in both directions. To make the black effect appear more three-dimensional, increase the number of copies. Usually, using around 10 to 30 copies creates a stronger and more visible 3D appearance. You can also check the preview box to see the live changes update directly on the text while adjusting the settings. Continue adjusting the number of copies until the effect looks the way you want. Once you are satisfied with the appearance of the black 3D effect, click OK to apply the settings to the text.